Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark. I'm the co-founder of Modify AI. Today I want to show you how to use a LangChain and Ollama to sell your own multimodal search technology for your research paper. So to do that, we're going to set up Ollama on your computer. It's very easily. You can just install it if you're using Mac. Today we want to see Mac M2 MacBook Air, and we can show you the monitor. So yeah, it's M2 MacBook Air, about its Mac. It's a M2 MacBook Air. So what we're going to do today is to set up a multimodal model that is capable of doing embedding, and to do that we're gonna do some stuff with that to set up your own open AI search. Okay, so to do that, we're gonna set up first of all, install the Ollama. You can just install right here. You can install it, click download, and just install it right away. And later on, you can just start it with installing the package that is shown here. So LangChain Ollama and all the package that we need to like index the PDF file. Once it's ready, okay, let me check that. Once it's ready, and we can start from there. And you can set up your connection URI so to connect with Ollama server on your own local computer. And once it's ready, we can start with the designated like model. You can use the command like Ollama pull Moonjun. It will point in manifest. And because we already did that, so we can just skip the step. Once it's ready, we could start from there. We're gonna index load the PDF file, and then we will use the text splitting, or turn this into a chunk of text. We were using the package called recursive character text splitter from LangChain, and we will turn that those chunks into embedding format using Ollama embedding. So to set out that, we can just use this function to set out our Ollama embedding, and we will use both of this split and embedding and turn into the actual factor that we'll be using within the filter dashboard. And we create a filter dashboard and return the actual filter dashboard. And so to do that, we just list the paper within the directory of the file, and we were gonna just create a filter dashboard from there. And once it's ready, we could create a context that we're gonna collect from the result, and we're gonna just we can set the similar search into the query, which is the question we will ask to the filter dashboard to find similar content, and we want to return the top 3 content that's most relevant to our question. And once it's ready, we can just ask what are the top 3 ideas for this research. And it's now preparing our query. And once it's ready, then we could use LN to chat Ollama to generate a final outcome. We'll use Llama's 3.21 billion model to generate a final response, so that we can just start from there, and we have the final a result which is organized by using our channel model. So we have this like investigating the effectiveness of PGTT during test casing, code generation, and so forth. And that will be how we're gonna build like a mini RAG application, and using a multimodal system, and just on your local computer alone. That's pretty much it. And if you want to check this out, we will paste the link for this repository down below, so you can check it out how to start with this tutorial. You can set it on your own local computer, whether it's Mac OS, Ubuntu, or other operating system like Mac OS. Thank you.